What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It is Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. The Moose has his coffee, and we're ready to go. We're going to uncover the best hardware wallet under $50. So I'm going to show you guys how you can do that. So if you do get something out of this, if you do end up picking one up, if the Moose has convinced you with a little bit of rhetoric, with a little bit of knowledge, then definitely comment down below. Did you pick one up? Did you already have one? Etc. So let's take a look at the Tangem wallet. And by the way, I do own a set right here. And if you guys do want, head over to the link tree where you can pick one up using coupon code Moose. So that is coupon code Moose. I'm going to go to the link tree. I have it down in the description below. I just reworked everything, so I have I have some better photos now. Basically, go to the link in the description. It will be pinned down below as well. And here you got the Trezor, Tangem. You also have the LA Pal, etc. So that will save you up to 25% off and 10% off in particular for the Tangem. So Tangem, this is a cold storage wallet. Basically, instead of holding your private keys on your phone where it's susceptible to just a hack, you can store your keys on the device itself, and it's protected with security. So you either have a PIN, you have to physically touch the device, you have to know where it is. So it adds more layers of protection. So a hot wallet, typically your private keys, they're stored online. Maybe you have a password protected. Maybe it's password protected, but it's very susceptible to online attacks. If somebody gets in your phone or computer, they can sign a transaction, send tokens to their own wallet. With this, someone would physically need to have this device. They would have to tap it with their phone, know your password. So it adds more layers of protection. So I hope that I explained that well. I have videos all across the channel going over that. So I've used several different hardware wallets. In fact, I've unboxed like 10 of them. So I have the Trezor, I have the Trezor 1. This is already phased out. I have the Ledgers, I got a couple of them. So I have used my fair share of wallets, and I've set up quite a few, and I've helped a lot of people get one. So for this wallet, and I do have some pretty cool videos, I would say. If you want to get an unboxing experience, if you want to learn how to set one up, go to the channel, type in Tangem. And even before that, I did a video called Tangem versus Trezor Safe 3. So if you want to get my thoughts and opinions on that, check out that video. I go in depth. But for Tangem, I have a setup guide. Very simple. It's like a 10-minute video. I also have a video how to send crypto to your Tangem. So basically how crypto transactions work. And I do have an unboxing. There you go. So I also have an unboxing video. So if you want to get an experience of what the wallet looks like, for sure you can do that. So how do you get this wallet for 50 bucks? Very simple. Go to the link tree, go over here, click on Tangem Wallet. It will take you to this link. Go to Get Tangem. And with coupon code Moose, saves you 10% off. You can get the 2-card set for $49 USD. This is the best wallet for under 50 bucks. If you want to spend 100 bucks, you could go with the Trezor, but that's also if you don't want to have a wallet that you can hold in your phone or in your wallet. This wallet I can hold in my wallet on the go. This I need to connect. So a little bit different in that regard. So I do like this. You have a lot of capabilities. We'll go over it pretty swiftly here. First, I do like the form factor. It's pretty slick. You tap it with your phone, so it's very intuitive with the app. Synergizes quite well. You can set up in 3 minutes. It's super easy. I have videos on that again. You get backup cards. Now you can actually write down your seed phrase. So I talk about that in other videos. Very important. Check that more in-depth video. What else? Yeah, if you're using your phone and if you want a better way to store your tokens long term, this is a good option, man. So you have your Tangem chip. What else was cool in here? Yeah, they have the sizes and they also have these summer colors. So I think this is a good option as well. If you guys are looking for some palettes, some different colors, these are cool. This green one I think would be sweet. So maybe the moose will get loose, pick one up. So guys, that's all we really got. In my opinion, if you want a hardware wallet that's cheap, effective, looks sexy, then pick one up. So Elon Musk is calling for the fourth time today. We'll see you in the next one.